Hi guys, Alicia here, your Close to My Heart independent consultant, and I am here today with another Workshops Your Way. This one is called Hello Pumpkin, and it's Halloween themed. I'm so excited. Fall is finally here. I live in California, and it's been hot. It's still pretty hot, but like you can, when you step outside, like I can smell fall. I don't know if that makes any sense. Yeah, and I am ready for Halloween this year. Super excited. So I love this kit. The colors are, there's definitely like the orange and the black and the white, but I love that the pops of blue in this. It's a little non-traditional, but it's fun. This is an awesome kit. These papers, although there's a lot of Halloween specific, not exactly in this layout, but this paper pack is great for non-Halloween stuff too. And I will do some stuff with that later. Close to My Heart has a kit out right now called The Important Things, and it looks really interesting. I'm going to get that, and I'll show you guys that. But it uses this paper in a non-Halloween way, so super fun. So I already have everything all prepped for this kit. And I always put all of my pieces in separate little baggies. So all the Workshop Your Way kits make 3 2-page layouts. So I put layout 1 in a bag, layout 2 in a bag, layout 3 in a bag, which makes it super easy when I'm ready to scrapbook. I know I mentioned this a lot, but I'm sure there's some new viewers. I have 2 small kids, so I have to do everything in stages. So one day I might get to cut up the kit and put it into baggies. Another day I'll get to do a layout. Every once in a while the stars align and I can do a kit start to finish. I just never know. So I love having all the pieces ready. So when the baby's taking a nap, and my dishes are done and the laundry is going. It doesn't happen very often, but sometimes it does, and I can just like run up to my little craft area, bust out some pages. So these green papers, those are the photo mats. So this page 1, there's a spot for 2 photos. And a pretty good size photo. I want to say that's a 5x7. 4x6? I'll have to measure. That's the one bummer part about not having the photo place card holders is I can't remember just by glancing what size. So these 2 little side pieces, they go over that one big photo, so you want to make sure you don't put tape or anything over it like I did here. See, now I'm peeling it off because I don't want to stick anything down to that middle green piece of paper because I want to be able to slip a photo under it. So this Hello Pumpkin kit, it is super cute. This kit, like I already said, it makes the 3 2-page layouts, and then you can also get a stamp and thin cut set and make some super adorable cards. And I made a video for that. That will be up in the next few days. It's cute, you guys. I can't get over this set. I think I freak out over every kit, but they're all just so dang cute. I'm pretty excited for Halloween this year to scrapbook it. And I think at least one of these layouts I'm also going to do are photos from last year because my son was a dragon, a little purple dragon, and I think the colors are going to go really well with this kit. This year he's going to be Batman, so that'll go with any layout, right? He's just going to be dressed in a black outfit, black cape. And this year we have a new baby in the family. Little girl, she's 4 months old now, and she is going to be Tinkerbell. My mom went to Disneyland She's like, they have this adorable Tinkerbell outfit. Can I please get it for her? And I'm like, well, I don't think that goes with Batman, but sure. They don't have to match, right? So this kit comes with the embellishment. It also comes with that really cute striped washi tape. So I thought that was fun. I haven't seen too much washi tape from Close to My Heart recently, so that's great. And the black and white, I mean, that will go with a lot of stuff. You don't just have to use it with this kit. And I love the complements that are stickers, super easy. That banner piece up there is like a chipboard, really thick, really super thick cardboard. Not cardboard, I'm sorry, cardstock. And now we are moving on to page 2. I thought this layout was pretty clever because the first page used that whole sheet of the orange and white checked, and then this page only uses a partial sheet, and then you have the blue paper in the background. So I thought it was a clever way to kind of stretch your patterned paper. Yeah, I mean, what I like about these kits is you can take these layouts and use the same pattern with different papers. So I think I'm going to definitely try that trick with another set of paper. I always have to peel up paper somewhere on my layout. I never put things down properly the first time. Here I'm just lining up the pieces between the two sides so that it looks nice and even. And there you go, ripping up paper again. You guys the same way? Do you guys always have to take pieces off because they don't line up? And this cute white paper with the black stars, that is from the zip strip of the paper. So all the Close to My Heart paper comes with an extra little 1/2-inch strip, and on one side it has, you know, information about the paper, the colors that are featured, what it's called, and then the other half is decorative. And I love that. So you can cut that off, use it in your layouts and projects and stuff. I think that's pretty creative of them. So you're not wasting that little branding strip. And that journaling card right there is from the cut-aparts that come with the paper. And all the cut-aparts are double-sided, so one side is horizontal and one side is vertical, which is very nice, so it will always fit to your layout. So I got everything glued down. Now we're going to move on to embellishments. That star shape, you guys, it is like a plastic piece. Those are cute, and they're stickers, so they're so easy to place down. You don't have to try to get glue on them. I love those. I might have to get more. I mean, those would be great in any layout. It doesn't have to be Halloween. Like there's stars. I want to say, are there hearts in there too? I can't remember right now, but they are adorable. Yeah, there's stars and hearts. There's some bigger ones, some smaller ones. And they are acrylic. Super cute. You get 14 in a package. So you guys watching this back and doing the voiceover, I can see my lighting is just all over the place, and it's because I craft by a window in the daytime. So the sun is out and then I don't know, cloud goes by or something. So sorry about that. I'm gonna have to work on my lighting. I also think sometimes, you know, my cat comes and jumps in the window and blocks all the light, and definitely need to up my lighting game. So here I've pulled out my tweezers. These tweezers are awesome for those little tiny stickers. Great for precise placement. And you don't get the little tiny stickers stuck to your fingers. Okay, so that half of the layout is done, and now I'm just going to tidy up my stuff. I'll put both pages out for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Thanks guys, bye.